Question number 21. Light of wavelength lambda is incident on two parallel slits of width b and the distance by axis to d. Parallel slits of width b and are separated by a distance. Your d and this is b. Okay. The graph of intensity against diffraction angle is shown. So being shown over here. So if you consider the distance between two peaks, okay. Now we can always say this is nothing but your two fringes over here. So the fringe width is given by lambda into capital D divided by small d. But if I do this beta by capital D, this is what is called as the angular width, which is given by lambda by small d. So therefore lambda by small d is nothing but what is given here. If you take this value, so how much will this be? 0.05, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So each box is around 0.01. Just write this as 0.01. I do not know what the question asked. Let us read. What is lambda by d and lambda by b? Okay, so we already got one of them. Lambda by d is seen to be 0.01. Is there an answer? Lambda by d 0.01. So these two are incorrect. We need to look at these two. So either of them is correct. Now lambda by b. Now what is lambda by b? Where do we get this lambda by b? So we know that for a minimum, b sin theta is equal to n lambda. So this is what we get over here. And this, as you see here, if I just join these peaks, over here, so this is what I get, right? So this is nothing but an envelope of all this minima, maxima, and you get something like this over here. Now what is this here? This here, so if I take this one here, this value will now be equal to b sin theta. This will be equal to b sin theta. So thus this will be equal to, put n equal to 1, you get this lambda 1 over here. So then you can say sin theta is equal to lambda divided by b. But you know, when I take sin theta equal to lambda by b, the value of theta is very small over here. So that's why we get sin theta itself is equal to lambda by b. Okay. So thus this value is nothing but lambda by b. So you can say lambda by b is equal to 0.1. Lambda by b is equal to 0.1. So this is the right answer. C is the right answer.